Good morning students, welcome to e-learning class. Children, as you know that your first chapter is going on, that is large numbers. And in your previous class we have discussed about number system and its first part, that was Hindu Arabic system of numeration or Indian system of numbers. Children, as we know that there are two types of number systems. They are, what are they? Can you tell me? In your previous class, I told that first part is Hindu Arabic system of numeration or Indian system of numbers, and the second is international number system. So, children, as we have already discussed about the Hindu Arabic system of numeration, now let's start our next part, that is international numeration system. Now children, you can see that one chart is given here, chart for international numeration system. Now we will see in this chart that there are three separations. This chart is divided into three parts. This one first part is ones, then thousands, and then millions. Before starting this chart, children, as we have learned in this chapter 7-digit number, and in our fourth standard you have to only know about 7-digit number. So we have taken here 7-digit number only. In your other classes, as you will go in 5, then you will learn more about this chart. So we are learning here this much. Now you can see here this chart is divided into three parts, that is ones, thousands, and millions. Now in here in ones, thousand, and millions, they are divided into another parts also. As we can see here in ones, it is divided into ones, tens, and hundreds. Now the periods, these are also called periods. We have discussed in our previous classes about periods. This one, thousand, and millions is periods. Now in ones period, ones, tens, and hundreds comes. In thousand periods, thousands, 10,000, 100,000s will come. And in your millions will come, 10 millions will come, and 100 millions will come. So we are doing here 7-digit number only, so we will learn about millions only. In million, in the period of million, we will learn about million. Now we have taken 7-digit number, that is 5, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 7. This one is 7-digit number. Now you can see here we have divided this numbers in three parts. First you can see here 100 tens ones, 2, 3, 7 is ones, because it is the number of ones period, so this number will comes in ones. Now you can see in second part, in second period, 1, 3, 4 is given. 4 is of thousands, 3 is of 10,000, and 1 is of 100,000s. So you can see here children, 1, 3, 4 is given. So these three numbers comes in thousand period. So we will write here 134,000. This one is 237. This one is 134,000. Now here 5 is given in the period of millions, so we will write here 5 million. Thus, now you can see here, thus the number is, what is the number? Number is 5, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 7. Now we have written this, and when we will put the comma, so children, where we have done the separation or where we have divided the periods, there we will put the comma. You can see here after million there is a separation, there is a division between millions and thousands. So after 5 millions we will put comma. Now there is another division between thousand and ones. So we will write here 134 comma, because there is a separation between thousand and ones. And in 237 is the last, so it will be over now. Means 5 millions comma 134,000 comma 237 will come. Clear it? Now let us see how number names can be written in International Numeration System. Children, you know the number names of Indian system of numbers. Now you will learn about International number numeration system. Number names, how can we write it? So we will take this number only because we have taken as example. So we will take this number 5,134,237. Now how we write this number in number names? So we will see here. Now see what I have done here. I have done here underline. Why? Because these are the division. After 237, then comma is here, 134, then comma is here, and then 5. Because 5 is million, 134 is the period of thousand, 237 is the period, is from the period of ones. So what is 5? 5 is million. So we will write here 5 million. We will not put S here. Now then 134 is from the period of thousand. So we will write here 134,000. Why we have put here 1000? Because it is from the period of thousand. Now again 237 is given. So 237. Once again 5 million, because it is from the period of million. 134,000. How we will write? 134,000, because it is from the period of thousand. Now 237. This one is from the period of ones. Clear it? Now children, you learn this topic, practice this topic, and learn the table of 12 and 13 and write it in your rough copy. Again I am saying the homework. Learn the table of 12 and 13 and write in your rough copy. Got it?